My name is Karen. I have been playing The Sims since Sims 1. I have 1, 2, 3 and 4 and stacks of expansion and stuff packs. I like Sims 4 but I also like Sims 2 because Sims 2 have very special features, like you can move one sim without moving the whole family, which is not possible in 4. So I plan to make Let's Plays of Sims 2 and 4, maybe also City Skylines with the help from my husband. And I have Sims 2 running now. I would love to give a shout out to Australian Simmers who has inspired me, the Legacy, aka Madeline, and the Sim Supply, James Turner, and one from the UK, English Simmer, aka Molly. So if I receive enough interest from viewers, younger viewers can start soon. Please comment, like, subscribe, and have a wonderful day. From South Africa.